If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, mail call, my friends. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen, and we're going to do a mail call that just came in this package here. So let's open it up, because I'm dying to see what's in it. Like I already know what's in it, but you don't. But you will now. You got a Monteverde. Not just any Monteverde. You got the Impressa. It's a black with chrome trim. And I'll review the whole thing later. So let's open it up. Oh no! Look at this beautiful fountain pen. Nice black lacquered Impressa. Beautiful. I just did one. I had the with the rose gold trim, which I'm using now. Now this one has a fine nib. The other one had a broad nib, so this one I'll be doing has a fine nib. And stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming up soon. All right, my friends, be safe, take care, peace and love, and as always, wash those hands and don't text and drive. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Well, hey, right quick, we have a birthday boy today. Yes. And the birthday boy, his name is Jim Chesney. So a special happy birthday to you, Jim. And I hope you're feeling better and hanging in there and fighting it. I hope you're enjoying the best you can your fountain pens. I just want to let you know that I was thinking about you, my man. I didn't forget you. So take care, my friend. And just a happy birthday any way you want to look at it. And remember, it's all good. Later, my friend.